Hello friends, today we know how to add an app back to your iPhone's home screen. Method first, using the app library. First, swipe all the way to the last How screen page to open the app library. Now, either use the search bar at the tab or browse through the app folders until you find the app you are looking for. Once you find it, press and hold the app icon. Then tap to add to home screen. That's it. The app will instantly appear back on your home screen. Method 2, using the spotlight search. If you want an even faster method, use the spotlight search. Simply swipe down anywhere on your home screen or tap the search button if it's available. Type the name of the app you want to restore. When the app appears in the search results, press and hold its icon. Then tap Add to home screen. Your app will be added back immediately. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.